This song is from the Butterfly album. That would be my favorite album. Next to this one, the Elusive Shunters. They both kind of represent a new era of life for me. So, we want to do it for you whenever you're ready. And it's called My All.
I am thinking of you in my sleepless solitude tonight. If it's wrong to love you, then my heart just won't let me be right. 'Cause I'm
and we're not going to tell them. Well, what I'm trying to say is this. This is what I'm trying to say. We want to sing this song for you tonight. We thank the Jackson 5, the world famous, incredible Jackson 5, one of the greatest groups ever, in my opinion, of all times. And they had a huge hit with the song called I'll Be There. We sang it. We had a remake of it for MTV Unplugged, and I'm gonna try and do my best for you tonight. Trey always does his best, and I'm going to try, darling. It's called I'll Be There.
For 6 #1.
Hey, well, you know, I didn't even know that. I still don't know.
you and I must make a pact. We must bring salvation back. Where there is love, I'll be there. I'll reach out my hand to you, and I have faith in all you do. till it lasts longer.
I love you, baby.
And there's an answer. If you reach into your soul, and the sorrow that you know will melt away, and then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive.
Thank you. Thank you, darlings.
Mariah, anong gawin?
So we've had lightning, rain, thunder, and also, if you didn't know, this is called the show. That's not mine. That is Slick Rick. I cannot take credit for that line. We also had a fire, apparently. Yeah. For all the signs and all the real fans that I see in the audience, I know the devotion that it's taken, and we've come a long way. I'm going to sing this song for you. I see you coming down here in the front. Wow. I love you so much. I appreciate you so much. Thank you, guys. Somebody please get a picture of these guys, please.
I need you back in